The Isinwheel electric bike for adults is a versatile and innovative transportation solution that has garnered attention for its robust features, thoughtful design, and practicality. With a 500W motor, the bike promises a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it an appealing option for urban commuting or leisure rides. Available in various tire sizes, 14-inch, 16, 20, and 26, this electric bike caters to different preferences and riding styles, making it adaptable for a wide range of users. One of the standout features of the Isinwheel electric bike is its powerful 500W motor. This motor provides ample torque and acceleration, allowing riders to tackle inclines and rough terrains with relative ease. The bike can reach its maximum speed of 20 miles per hour quickly, which can be quite exhilarating, especially for those accustomed to traditional bicycles. The power delivery is smooth, and the pedal assist feature allows for a customizable riding experience, letting you choose how much effort you want to exert. Whether you're in the mood for a leisurely cruise or a more vigorous workout, this bike can accommodate both. The folding design is another significant advantage of the Isinwheel electric bike. This feature makes it incredibly convenient for urban dwellers who may need to combine biking with other forms of transportation, such as public transit. The bike folds down to a compact size, making it easy to store in tight spaces such as apartments, closets, or car trunks. Moreover, the folding mechanism is intuitive and requires minimal effort, allowing users to transition between riding and storage seamlessly. When it comes to comfort, the Isinwheel electric bike does not disappoint. The adjustable seat ensures that riders of different heights can find their optimal riding position, promoting a more enjoyable experience over longer distances. The bike's handlebar design is ergonomic, providing a comfortable grip that reduces fatigue during extended rides. Additionally, the suspension system, depending on the model, plays a crucial role in smoothing out bumps, making it ideal for urban environments with uneven road surfaces. Battery life is a crucial consideration for any electric bike, and the Isinwheel does well in this department. Depending on the battery capacity and usage, riders can expect a range of approximately 25 to 40 miles on a single charge, which is impressive for a bike at this price point. The charging time is also reasonable, typically around 4 to 6 hours, which allows users to recharge overnight and be ready for another day of riding. This extended range makes the bike particularly suitable for commuting, errands, or leisurely outings without the anxiety of running out of power. Safety features are also well thought out in the Isinwheel electric bike. The inclusion of front and rear lights enhances visibility during low-light conditions, ensuring that riders can navigate safely in the early morning or evening. The bike is equipped with reliable disc brakes that provide excellent stopping power, enhancing safety on descents or when navigating traffic. These elements combine to instill confidence in riders, allowing them to focus more on enjoying the ride than worrying about potential hazards. The aesthetic appeal of the Isinwheel electric bike should not be overlooked either. With a sleek design and a choice of colors, it stands out without being overly flashy. The modern look is appealing to both younger riders and adults alike, making it a versatile choice for a wide demographic. The build quality appears robust, with durable materials that are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. However, while the Isinwheel electric bike excels in many areas, there are a few potential drawbacks. The weight of the bike, while manageable for many, may be a concern for those who need to lift or carry it frequently. Additionally, the absence of certain advanced features such as a built-in GPS or smartphone connectivity might deter tech-savvy users looking for high-end options. Finally, while the bike is designed for various heights, taller riders might find the smaller frame sizes less comfortable over longer distances. In conclusion, the Isinwheel electric bike for adults offers a compelling mix of power, convenience, and comfort. Its 500W motor ensures a satisfying ride experience, while the folding design adds practicality for urban